As a car restorer and mechanic, I know my tyres, and I put my trust in Landsail to get me from A to B. Landsail has a wide range of products for passenger and commercial vehicles, all housed here. We'll be taking a look at some of Landsail's most popular tyres and how they get from here to your cars. A warehouse like this houses 110,000 tyres of various brands, including Landsail, all of which are ready for dispatch. And what you might not have known is that 1 in 25 tyres on the road in the UK is a Landsail tyre. A sophisticated stock management system is used to track tyres from the moment they arrive at the warehouse from the manufacturer to the time that they are picked and loaded for shipping to dealers. And an average of 5,000 tyres are picked and dispatched from this warehouse every day. Once the tyres have been picked, they're loaded onto a designated van for delivery. There are 78 dispatches each day to customers from the tops of the Lake District down to mid-Wales and everywhere in between. Today, this shipment is heading to a dealer in Ellesmere Port for any customers requiring replacement tyres. So let's get them delivered, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the Landsail range. The LS588 is an ultra-high performance tyre. It's available in many low-profile fitments. It has an optimised tread pitch and alignment that reduces road noise levels. These sipes and grooves improve handling on wet roads. And a large contact area with the road means optimised grip, stability and control over any type of surface. There's the LS588, a high-performance summer tyre designed specifically for passenger cars. The LS388 has been designed with comfort, long wear and fuel efficiency in mind, with a focus on being a safe summer passenger tyre. It couples leading-edge tread design with an advanced silica compound for a fuel-efficient drive. The shoulder uses heat-resisting bars to keep the tread block stable and protect them from irregular wear. The 4 wide longitudinal grooves channel the road's surface water, while the lateral grooves work to direct it out from under the tyre. And the solid rib in the centre of the tyre ensures straight-line driving stability. All of this gives you a sturdy tyre with great grip and top performance in the wet and dry. The LSV88 is designed for durability and handling in commercial van applications. It has a reinforced casing that offers optimal carrying capacity. The heat-releasing shoulder uses a continuous S-groove to improve heat-releasing ability, maximising tyre mileage and improved fuel economy. The staggered siping along the tyre improves braking ability, even when carrying heavier loads. That's the LSV88, a van tyre that performs in the most demanding conditions. The Landsail 4 Seasons tyre range has been developed and manufactured with one thing in mind: all-weather confidence. The modern asymmetric tread design features some really interesting optimisations. A microsiped tread centre and inner part increases traction and grip level on wet and snow-covered roads. Lateral and longitudinal grooves provide a wide contact patch for excellent braking results on difficult road conditions, as well as improving driving stability on snow and ice. So that's the 4 Seasons tyre, designed to increase control and performance over all seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. The minimum recommended tread depth on a tyre is 3 mm. A neat and easy way to check your tyre's tread depth is to take a 20p piece and place it upright in the main grooves of the tyre. If the outer band of the coin is obscured by the tyre, then your tyre is above the minimum legal requirement. However, if you can see any of the outer band of the coin, it's time to change your tyre. You should check your tyre pressures a minimum of once a month, whether your car has a tyre pressure monitoring system or not. Always set them to the car manufacturer's specifications, which can be found in the handbook, behind the fuel filler cap or on the door shuts. Use a tyre inflation machine to check your current tyre pressures and, if required, inflate or deflate to the manufacturer's recommended settings. Be sure to do visual checks of your tyres on a regular basis. Look out for any bulges, cracks, cuts, nails, or even bubbles in the sidewall. Apart from foreign objects becoming lodged in the tyre, the main causes of severe tyre damage are too much contact with curbs and potholes. If you're in any doubt about the condition of your tyres, get them checked over by a professional. You may be wondering what goes into changing a tyre. Well, there's a lot more to it than you might think. Let's take a look and see how it's done. Once the wheels have been safely removed from your car, the fitter removes the valve core and releases all the air. Using a tyre machine, the old tyre is separated from the wheel rim. Now for the new tyre. The fitter begins by coating the tyre's beads and rim with lubricant. Then, using the tyre machine again, it is carefully mounted onto the wheel. Next, the tyre is inflated to the correct pressure, making sure the beads are seated accurately on the shoulder of the rim. Now the wheel needs balancing using small weights of various sizes. This is to ensure there is no vibration from the wheel and tyre. Before the wheels are remounted to the vehicle, the fitter will check to see if your tyres are directional or asymmetrical, and fit the wheels accordingly. Unbalanced or incorrectly fitted wheels can affect the lifespan and reliability of a tyre. So there you have it, hey? Perhaps not as easy as you thought. Tyres are fitted professionally so that you get the best out of your purchase and so that you and everybody else are safe on the roads.